Saudi Arabian state-owned oil giant and the world's largest oil company, Saudi Aramco, has awarded 34 contracts worth $18 billion, which is Saudi Riyals 67.5 billion, for the engineering, procurement and construction requirements of its Marjan and Berri oil field increment programs. The project is set to create thousands of job opportunities in the kingdom and simultaneously aims at raising the production capacity of these oil fields. So, what does this mean for local as well as international companies, and which of them have bagged major contract wins? Let's find out. I am Ranju Warrior, reporter at Construction Week. Welcome to Season 3 of Construction Week in Focus. In a statement, Aramco said more than 90 companies and institutions were invited to bid on the packages, with 16 Saudi and international companies picked for EPC and supply works. Over 50% of the deals are said to be awarded to homegrown companies as part of Aramco's in-kingdom total value add program to boost localization. The program will see production capacity raised by 550,000 barrels per day of Arabian crude oil and 2.5 billion standard cubic feet a day of gas. Aramco said the Saudi Arabian construction companies it had picked for the projects were high-caliber firms that have proven their ability to handle complex projects. In-Kingdom Total Value Add program is focused on raising Aramco's stock of locally sourced goods and services to 70% by 2021. The Marjan Increment program covers oil, associated gas, non-associated gas and cap gas from the Marjan offshore field and will see the development of an offshore gas oil separation plant as well as 24 offshore oil, gas and water injection platforms. Aramco also plans to expand its Tanajib onshore oil facilities and construct a new gas plant to include gas treatment and processing, natural gas liquids, recovery and gas compression facilities. A cogeneration facility will be developed in addition to a water desalination facility and new transfer pipelines. The offshore oil field development project aims to increase the Marjan field production by 300,000 barrels of oil per calendar year of Arabian medium crude oil, process 2.5 billion standard cubic feet a day of gas, and produce an additional 360,000 barrels of oil per calendar year of ethane plus natural gas liquids. Meanwhile, the completion of Berri increment program's plant facilities will see the addition of a gas oil separation plant at Abu Ali Island with the capacity to process 500,000 barrels per day of Arabian light crude oil in addition to gas processing facilities that will process 40,000 barrels of associated hydrocarbon condensate at the Khursania gas plant. Berri's expansion also includes the development of a water injection facility, 2 drilling islands, 11 oil and water offshore platforms, and 9 onshore oil production and water supply drill sites. Commenting on this contract, Saudi Aramco's President and Chief Executive Officer Amin Nasser said that the two programs will significantly enhance Saudi Aramco's oil production and gas processing capabilities, both strengthening the oil giant's position as a leading integrated energy supplier and meeting growing long-term demand for petroleum. Following the contract awards, American contractor McDermott revealed that it had won 2 engineering, procurement, construction and installation contracts with a combined value of $4.5 billion, which is 16.8 billion Saudi Riyals, for packages 1 and 4 of Aramco Marjan increment development, while Italian contractor CPEM was awarded 2 onshore engineering and construction contracts valued at $3.5 billion, which is 13.5 billion Saudi Riyals, for Marjan and Berri gas fields. While South Korea headquartered Hyundai Engineering and Construction also bagged a 2.7 billion contracts for packages 6 and 12 of Marjan development program. That's all for now about Saudi Aramco's latest contract awards for Marjan and Berri oil fields. You were watching Construction Week in Focus, a bi-weekly video series focusing on industry updates from across the region. If you want us to check out more projects in the region, let us know by commenting in the comments box below. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed watching it and share it with your friends and colleagues. We'll see you very soon. Until then, thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.